Yo, what is going on, everyone? My name is Drew. What it do? Hopefully you're having a fantastic day today. And in today's video, we're going to be reviewing, unboxing, and showcasing the New Balance 327 in the Aspen yellow colorway. Man, these shoes are beautiful. Let's get into it. So upon opening the box, you're greeted by the sneaker in and of itself. The unboxing experience is a simplistic New Balance unboxing experience. You get the gray signature New Balance box. I've gotten the same box when ordering a pair of 990 V4s, and it's just the GR pair or the GR box for GR sneakers. While this is a general release sneaker, it is oh so beautiful in my opinion. You have the upper is compiled of leather and suede predominantly, and the suede on the sneaker is absolutely beautiful. The color blocking of the sneaker is one of my favorites, and this was actually a gift to me from my girlfriend, so I'm really feeling really blessed to have received this pair and show it to you guys. This isn't a pair that's ultra hyped up. It's just a GR release, like I said, but the leather upper 327s are just some of the most beautiful shoes in my opinion that are out right now, and I absolutely love this sneaker. As you can see, what makes this sneaker a little bit different from other 327s is the actual leather on the in logo of the 327. The other silhouettes are compiled of I think it's some kind of synthetic. It's either nylon or mesh or something like that. But this one you have a leather in on the side paneling of the shoe, and then the interior of the shoe is comprised of this leather that seems to be perforated, right? The inner lining of the sneaker is lined with mesh. Unlike the 327, the Casablancas are actually lined with leather. And maybe this isn't mesh on the interior. This might be a some kind of fiber. It's pretty soft. I'm not actually sure the actual material on this on the inside. I'm blanking on the naming of it, but the shoe is beautiful as you can see. So like I said, these were a gift from my girlfriend, and I actually helped her pick these out. And I said I wanted the yellow pair. I said the yellow pair is the most beautiful. There's a red pair, there's a blue pair, and there's a yellow pair. And these are part of the primary pack, I think it's what it's called on New Balance. And I just think that the yellow pair is a much more fashion look, while the blue pair and the red pair are much more they look a little bit more sporty, if that makes sense. And so I'm really happy with this pair. Like I said, I think the 327 is one of the most beautiful pairs of shoes on the market right now. The black outsole makes it as so that you can get these pretty dirty without having to worry about the outsole being too torn up or too demolished from all the city walking and all the adventures that you go on in the shoe. But I'm totally in love with the shoe, guys. I mean, there's nothing much more to say. It doesn't really have a strong smell to it, honestly. I know some people know about the new shoe smell, man, but they're a beautiful shoe in and of itself, and I'm really pleased with the gift that my girlfriend got me. Some other notable details include the New Balance logo on the interior of the sneaker. The tongue is a nice little tongue. You have flat lock laces with just a standard lace lock at the top. And I mean, the shoe is just a GR shoe that I plan to beat to the ground. I kid you not. I plan to wear these as much as possible. The black outsole is so perfect for me. And that's part of the reason why I wanted to get these. I wanted to have a pair of 327s that I could just wear around. I have the Casablancas. And so if you haven't seen that video, check out the video. But these are absolutely beautiful. And I can't recommend these shoes enough, man. If you're looking for a sneaker that is unique, not a lot of people are wearing 327s, which is why I like them as well. They're good for narrow footers, I believe. I mean, I'm a narrow footer, and I love the way it looks on my foot, and they just have this kind of vintage yet modern look to them that I think a lot of sneakers lack, and it's just beautiful, man. It's beautiful. So I know for a fact that the comfort on these is pretty good. I've enjoyed my Casablancas. The comfort won't blow you away, but I love the comfort on them. I just noticed something else, that the interior of the shoe actually has the intelligent choice on there, which is really dope. New Balance's slogan. But I would say for these, if you want to get these, comfort is about 8 out of 10. Sizing is true to size, and I'll have an on-foot portion for the sneaker right now so you guys can kind of get a feel for how it looks on feet. Boom, just like that. That is the New Balance 327 in the Aspen yellow colorway. I think it's called Aspen in yellow, but I'm calling it the Aspen yellow colorway. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section. Do you guys like this shoe? Do you guys like the 327? One of my favorite silhouettes, and definitely a silhouette that I feel like deserves more love, or maybe not. I mean, I like to, you know, own and acquire shoes that maybe aren't like the most hyped of the hype shoes, but I really like these. I really dig this pair, and I would love to know you guys' opinion on them, man. They're a beautiful shoe in my opinion. So thank you for watching to this point in the video. Subscribe to the channel if you like the video. I post content pertaining to sneakers, art, fashion, and culture, man. So if any of those things interest you, please be a subscriber. I would truly appreciate having you. Connect with me on Instagram at DrewJoyner_. I host a podcast. I run my own brand. I do a whole bunch of things. So I love connecting with new individuals and talking to them about fashion, about, you know, lifestyle and different cultural aspects that we're living in right now. I would love to connect with you. So follow me at DrewJoyner_. Other than that, I can't wait to roam around in these, man. Have a beautiful rest of your day. We'll see you next time. Peace.